Every morning, when you wake up, life is ready to challenge you. It will throw all sorts of obstacles your way, and you need to be prepared. There will be times when you feel like giving up, and moments when the pain and disappointment seem unbearable. It's easy to think it's not worth the struggle, but you have to persevere, no matter how many voices tell you to quit. Dreams are always tested. The pressure you feel serves a purpose. It's there to reveal your true strength, not to break you. Never let anyone take away your belief in yourself, even if they're struggling too. Always have faith in who you are, especially during the toughest times. If you fall, make sure you fall on your back, because if you can look up, you can get up. You have the power to overcome anything. When you reach the other side of your challenges, you'll be stronger, better, and more resilient. Being alive means you have more work to do. You owe it to yourself to live life on your terms and to never give up on your dreams. I, too, feel tempted to give up, but I've invested too much to stop now. I've sacrificed too much to surrender. I've worked tirelessly to get where I am, and nobody handed this to me. Earned it through hard work, sweat, and tears. You've worked hard too, and now isn't the time to lose focus. It's time to commit fully. When you're tempted to quit, remember why you started. Think about the people who depend on you. Even when you feel like you have nothing left, think about those who are counting on you. If you lose, at least you tried, which is far better than never trying at all. True champions keep going when they have nothing left. They push through when they're exhausted, frustrated, and ready to give up. When you have nothing left, that's when you show your true strength. Life will get tougher, and you need to get tougher too. You need to be stronger than the challenges you face. Wish I could tell you it will get easier, but it won't. You have to find something within yourself to push you forward. Even when I'm tired, I can't quit because too many people are counting on me. When you feel empty, think about those who need you and keep pushing. You did your best, and that's what counts. Never feel bad about giving 120%. The outcome doesn't define you. Your effort does. You are a warrior, not a quitter. You faced many obstacles and overcame them, so never feel bad if things don't go as planned. You are strong, resilient, and always ready to try again.